Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter follower glitch on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down and we will click here on apps. Then we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for a Twitter app. We will just go down and we will go to find the Twitter app. Then we will click here on Twitter and we come here to this is window and we will click here on force stop. Then we click here on OK. Then we click here on storage and we will click here on clear cache. Then we will click here on clear data and you just go to Play Store and update your app and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.